Hey there, welcome to my review on Google Traffic Hack. In this video, we'll dive into the strategy used in the system and discuss its pros and cons. But before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Mahesh Sopari and I've been in earning a full-time income online through affiliate marketing for over 7 years, mainly focusing on traffic generation and list building. Hopefully my experience will help you on this product. If you are really interested in discovering my top recommendation system for generating around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description and also stick to this video till the end. Why? Because I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Just imagine guys, if an ordinary Indian person like me who can create systems, why can't you do the same? Now let's talk about Google Traffic Hack. Essentially, this system teaches you a new method for getting traffic from Google and monetizing it. One thing I appreciate about James Renoff's launches is his knack for finding new methods and strategies before they become mainstreams. He packages them into step-by-step training and releases them as products, keeping you ahead of the curve. While AI is involved in some optional upgrades, the main strategy of Google Traffic Hack revolves around creating custom Google Maps and monetizing them with affiliate links and offers. This can be beneficial for local business marketing and SEO, allowing you to monetize various services and vendors with your affiliate links. This approach can complement pay-per-call AI, another recent product from the same vendor. Pay-per-call AI promotes affiliate programs where, instead of clicking a link, visitors make a phone call. If they stay on the line for a set duration, you earn commissions. This synergy between pay-per-call AI and Google Traffic Hack can enhance local SEO and business marketing efforts. But what sets James Renoff's trainings apart is their step-by-step nature, with over-the-shoulder videos and case studies. It's not about selling hype softwares, but rather teaching you how to implement these strategies using low-cost or free tools. You can use this system to promote various affiliate offers, offline marketing services, or even your own products. There are additional upgrades available for boosting traffic and integrating AI, but the core strategy remains focused on Google Maps and affiliate marketing. In my experience, focusing on list building has been very crucial. It's wise to direct traffic to a lead capture page before promoting an affiliate offer. This allows you to capture leads and monetize them later by promoting other products or launches. Whether you are using Google Traffic Hack or any other traffic strategy, building an email list is very essential. If you are interested in my top list building and affiliate marketing method and earn around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home just by making use of your computer and internet connection, then please visit the first link in the description. And if in case you would like to try out Google Traffic Hack, then you can either visit the second link or third link in the description so that you get redirected to the actual website. If you're watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe. I guess it might be shining. Go ahead, click that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. And as a promise, I would also like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Just imagine guys, if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating this all kind of automated systems, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? As you can see on the screen, in courses section, you have a bundle of programs. So I'm about to give you the complete bundle for different kinds of program to create your own sustainable online business for absolutely free. To access it, you need to get registered to my community. So to be a part of my community as a member, you need to visit the URL as you can see on the screen and join as a member. Or else you can please visit the first link in the description, get registered, watch my complete masterclass. Also, you will be receiving an access for this complete bundle. And please make a note, this is for only 100 members. So I request you to please join my community and be a part of those 100 members. Why? Because slots are filling out very soon. So don't miss this opportunity. Grab this and take the advantage. Alright guys, I hope you like this review helpful. And don't forget about my top recommendation, first link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.